What we're seeing specifically, for the stakeholders we talk with, for the airports and the airlines, is really the labor shortage and just the demographic development that we're seeing that really pushes them in the direction of having to automate more, of having to become more efficient. And this is really something that's driving the adoption. And, in the end, it's about the use cases, however, like how compelling are the use cases? How much economic benefit can you generate with the use cases? So one example where we essentially stack, multiple layers on top of the machine vision component that we have is we do predictions about certain key milestones during a turnaround. And based on those, the ramp tower in Seattle-Tacoma is allocating incoming planes to gates. So if they see that a plane at a certain gate won't finish its turnaround on time, they're going to reroute the incoming plane that's destined for that gate to another gate. And so these concrete use cases, in my eyes, are what are driving, what are pushing the customers over the edge to say we're going to do the investment